Is your periodontist keeping up with the latest technology? The reason why I ask is because technology has evolving very fast in the last 10 years, especially in treating periodontal disease. And knowing what you have available nowadays, it can help us to minimize trauma and provide the most effective type of therapies for periodontal gum disease and implant therapy for our patients. So here at North Carolina Implants and Periodontics, we have a series of different technologies that provide best treatment option for you, such as 3D CT scans, we have intraoral scanners, we have 3D printers, we have laser therapies that we can provide to patients. Intraoral scans are also a very interesting type of technology because for me, when I started my dental school, I used to do all those impressions with all those alginates and things that we usually have to add into the mouth, which is challenging for some patients to handle that. So the use of intraoral scanners not only avoid us to do this type of impressions, we can take actually a digital impression that for me it's very important because then I can work on the patient's teeth and also bite into the computer, which helps me to develop a much better and more accurate treatment plan, that's not only for periodontal disease but also for dental implant therapy. And lately, we also offer like the teeth in an hour treatment option here, which is basically the placement of dental implants and simultaneously adding the provisional or the temporary teeth at the same time. And in order to do this, we have in the office 3D printers that can help us from the printing the 3D guide for the implant surgery to the crowns or to the prosthesis that the patients are going to use after the procedure. So when it comes to bone grafting procedures or large surgical procedures, one thing that you can provide here in the office is the 3D printing of the skull of the jaw of the patient, which allows me to perform basically the surgery ahead of time. And by doing that, it can minimize significantly the amount of trauma and reduce the surgical time, giving the patients a much faster and easier recovery. If you're curious to know what our technologies can help in your treatment and for what you need, please give us a call and set up an appointment so then you can sit down and evaluate what we can offer for you.